Okay, today is July 12, 2015. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the pharmaceutical stocks and also a few cybersecurity as well as Facebook and eBay. There's some interesting setup, that might be worthwhile keeping an eye on quite a few of these, pharmaceutical. First one here is ALKS. It seems like kind of pull back and consolidated. Right, got this little flag here. Seems to be breaking out, and it could try to make it back up to this 48, and who knows, might even work it back up to the recent high. So might want to keep an eye on this. And the next one is REGN. Again, seems to be holding up well even during these recent weeks on these market chop. Seems to be breaking out of this low trend line here, probably working itself right back up to the recent highs. So you might want to keep an eye on this one. And this one is already moving up, and if you have it, just kind of trail it. Horizon Pharmaceutical, so you can see that been holding up fairly well as well. So it seems to be moving up into new high territory. So if you're holding this one, you might just want to trail the stop. And this one here, Agile Therapeutic. Okay, so again, this one, you can see that it's kind of, broken out of this low base here. Okay, all right, so it's kind of moving back up, and maybe you want to take a look at these level. Keep an eye on these level here. And Valiant Pharmaceutical, also it's kind of been pulling back and seems to be breaking out. Alright, again, it's been holding up, so might be working itself back up to a recent high. So might want to keep an eye on that one. And I think it's ABBV, that's how you pronounce it. Sometimes these drug companies come up with funny names. So you can see that it's also breaking out on this, and you might want to keep an eye on this here, because this might be a little bit of a base. I think there's a little bit of a base here, right? So you might want to keep an eye on that level for potential resistance, but seems to be fairly strong under the current market environment. And here is another one, Lannett, also kind of pull back. It's been holding up here, so it's kind of breaking out. So at least look forward to try to come back and test this level and maybe work itself back up to these levels. Okay. Then the next one is SCMP. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, but who the heck care, right? Just make money. SCMP. Alright, so it's kind of breaking out of this space here. Alright, got a little bit of a ascending triangle. So look for this thing to make it back up to these level here. Alright, so you get these lines a little bit better. Okay. And then looking at the those are the pharmaceutical company that might seems to making a move here. Might want to keep an eye on that. Then eBay, eBay is going to split off the PayPal pretty soon. It seems like it want to come up and take this high. Okay, so it's been holding up fairly well. Again, remember earning coming up soon, so pay attention to that. Unless you want to trade to earning. Facebook been very strong. It's holding up this 86 level, and it seems to be making a break here. It want new high. That's what it looks like. So you might want to keep an eye on that on Facebook. And then Home Depot, if you believe that the economy of the home builders is turning back up, you might want to look at this home improvement company here. So that's been also kind of pulling back for the last few months, and seems to be getting ready to maybe make it back up to this level here, somewhere around this 118. Now the cybersecurity FEYE seems to be showing some sign of moving back up. Right, so you can see there's a break here. So keep an eye on this level, somewhere around 49.70 or so. Okay. And then Palo Alto Network. Right. So seems to be, even though it seemed a little bit parabolic, but seems like it still want to go higher, so we might want to keep an eye on that. Kind of got a little bit of a W pattern here off that base and breaking out. Okay. And then finally, lock eye, and I mean life lock. I don't know how the heck I come up with a lock eye. Must be fire eye. Anyway, this thing is also seems to be making its way back up, possibly back up to this level up at the 17, and maybe even getting back up to this 19. So keep an eye on this, you know, for this little bit of a breakout here from this little pullback. Okay, so we know what's going on at the Greece, and I guess they played the card a little bit to the extreme, and they got slapped. So, but Greece is not the issue. It's some other bigger issue that will cause this U.S. market to trend downward. But for now, there's still a lot of, you know, good stock that could be picked off for potential upside. So good luck to you.